So hi, in this video, we're going to solve a problem in straight line chapter, which appear in JEE Main 2002. So here we have a straight line L with negative slope, and it is passing through the point A2. It says that it cuts the coordinate axis, that is X and Y axis, at the point P and Q. We have to find the absolute minimum of the X and Y intercept, the sum of X and Y intercept, which is OP and OQ. Okay, that's it. Now let's go ahead and solve this particular problem. So here for see that we draw the x-axis and y-axis, and also, right, we take a particular point P, A2. Now we have a straight line, variable straight line L, which is intersect the x-axis and y-axis at the point OP and OQ. And it is given that it have a negative slope. What that means? If in add angle makes an angle theta, so therefore that tan theta will be the slope. Okay, that's it. So that's the problem. Let's go ahead and write down all the important information. So here we say that the line L with negative slope makes an angle theta with x-axis. So therefore the slope, if I consider it as m, that's definitely equal to tan theta, and tan theta will be less than 0 here. Okay, that's it. That's the slope, right? Because what is the definition of a slope? Slope means it's a tan of an angle, but the angle makes with the positive direction of x-axis, right? That's it. We all know. Now, therefore, we can find out, right, the equation of the line L, right? So therefore, the line L is passed through the point uh, A2, and it's passing through that particular point A2 and having slope m. So therefore, the equation of the line L, what is the equation? We know that the equation of a line with slope m and passing through x1, y1 can be written as y minus y1 into x minus x1, important formula. So if I go ahead, we can say that it's y minus passing through the point 2, y1 is equal to the slope into x minus x1. So x minus 8, that's it. So this is the equation of a line. Now, we need to find out the x and y intercept, that is P and Q. How we find out? First, we need to find out the point P. So to find P, actually, we need to substitute y is equal to 0 because it's an intersection point with the x-axis. So and y equal to 0, it's the equation of x-axis. So if I substitute, minus 2 is equal to mx minus 8m. So that's imply that, right, the x coordinate of the point P can easily be written as 8m minus 2 divided by m. So therefore, the coordinate of P can be easily written as 8m minus 2 divided by m, comma 0. And similarly, to find the Q, so to find Q, which is the point of intersection with y-axis, we substitute x equal to 0. Why? Because equation of y-axis is x equal to 0, and it's a point of intersection of these two lines. So if I substitute x equal to 0, we can say that y minus 2 is equal to minus 8. So that's imply that y is equal to 2 minus 8m. So therefore, the coordinate of q can be easily reckoned as x equal to 0, and the coordinate of y will be 2 minus 8m. That's it. So we find out, right, what is my coordinate of p and q. Okay, that's it. And here also we remember that m is less than 0. That's it. So let's go ahead, right? So here by normal observation, right, we can easily find out, right, as OP and OQ is given, right? So therefore, by normal observation, we can find out that in this particular problem, OP, I wrote it here itself that OP is equal to 8m minus 2 divided by m, which can be written as 8 minus 2 by m. And if I try to calculate OQ, that's equal to 2 minus 8m. That's it. Now see that our job is to find the minimum values of OP and OQ. So if I add them together, this to sum, right? OP plus OQ, which is definitely equal to 8 minus 2 by m plus 2 minus 8m, which can easily be written as 10 and plus sign minus 8m minus 2 by m. Now, our job is to find the minimum values of this function. Okay, that's it. So let's go ahead and proceed further with this expansion only. Now, observe that OP plus OQ is a function of M. So therefore, we can easily apply the derivative, application of derivative to find out the maximum and minimum. But it's not required here. We've used some other concept. So let's go ahead. So here, first we assume that let alpha is equal to minus 8m and beta is equal to minus 2 by m. Now notice carefully as m is less than 0, so therefore alpha and beta must be greater than 0. That's obvious. So therefore, we can find out that OP plus OQ is actually 10 plus alpha plus beta. Now, for alpha plus beta, if I consider these two numbers, the arithmetic mean AM is equal to the sum of them alpha plus beta divided by 2. And if I try to calculate the geometric mean, it's actually the square root of AB. If I try to calculate the square root of A and B, observe that, sorry, not AB, I'm sorry, this is alpha beta, correct? Because we are talking about alpha and beta, right? By mistake, I said alpha, AB. Okay, so alpha is equal to minus 8m. And what is beta? That is minus 2 by m. So if I multiply m get cancelled, it is square root of 16 and that is 4. Now we know that arithmetic mean is always greater than equal to the geometric mean. So that's imply that alpha plus beta divided by 2 is greater than equal to 4, which imply that alpha plus beta is definitely greater than equal to 8, whatever the values of alpha beta may be. And it is only possible if alpha beta is greater than 0. And that's why they give you the concept that negative slope. Okay, that's it. Now, if I go ahead and find out that OP plus OQ, that's definitely greater than equal to 10 plus 8. So that's it. It is greater than equal to 18. So therefore, the minimum values of OP plus OQ, this sum of X and Y intercept, it's equal to 18. So that's why for this particular problem, 18 is the correct answer. Okay, and that's it. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.
Like, comment, and subscribe.